We see your true colors, segregation is unnatural, a recap from your dreams last night, Archangel Zophiel's bill. The day is now 36 hours and starts and ends at 3 am or 3 pm in an alternating fashion. At the time of this post 3:33 afternoon gate, on the 3D date 7820, the following 3 am will start this new day. Simply follow this parallel around the globe until it hits your local time at 3. If you are cognizant that a new day has begun, it is customary to send love and kindness to someone. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity 083 Infinity Infinity U2B U2BB Infinity Infinity J6H6H6H6H6H6 Infinity Infinity B1 TT Infinity. Please visit us at archangelicalendar.com for more information. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your continued support. Gaia has moved into the elemental setting of fire. This is in direct consequence to our conscious choice to live sentiently. She has observed all of our thoughts on many topics, and this flame seems to be aimed at our way of life, in specific, society, finances and its systems therein. Was anyone not expecting the Schumann to go crazy? We told you that we are inching up to the 300s and we will continue to roller coaster until we get there. The burst we saw coming in at 99 is not an anomaly, rather the new normal in regards to our energetic environment. You must be aware that this is going to happen and not wait for energetic ascension symptoms to hit. Take the proper precautions for your body, eat clean, hydrate, meditate in solitude, shield, and ground, way before this happens. Organized darkness planted personalities are about to come out, meaning the people who were pretending to be part of righteousness will show themselves to be actors. There are so many celebrities that will suddenly turn on the movements they were known to promote. It will go a little something like this: I used to support this movement, but because of the actions of so and so, I am no longer supporting the movement. This is a tactic to weaken strength from within and was a plot many years in the making, but you are very well aware of this, and thus will hold sacred space for the unknowing. The US FBI director said that they open a new investigation into China, more specifically the CCP, roughly every 10 hours. Well, if we are comparing notes, Archangel Zophiel spends more time there than anywhere else, and we are going to start billing his man-hours to various world governments. They also estimate that there is a 1,300% increase in CCP espionage. We think that is a very conservative number. Cue Kermit the Frog, because we have been onto this for some time now. The central hub for organized darkness is the CCP regime, as their US counterparts are crippled at the moment. Kudos to our legions for always being 6,000 steps ahead of everyone else. The ocean mammals of the earth have been very busy, and as we have mentioned, the animal legion, in general, is playing a very active role in transmutation and transition. We were not just referring to locusts, snakes, and frogs. Many beings of the animal kingdom have specific jobs that they are the sole provider of. We must do our best to support them and not get in the way of their very capable hands. Tutorials are going on in our sleep. If you wake up frequently, you can hear the dialogue briefly as you awaken. This is thought to be the best way to give a crash course to the lightworkers. If you notice any innate information in regards to your abilities, you know where it came from. Try your absolute best to trust the unconscious parts of yourself in this matter. To be noted, Archangel Raphael laughed as he asks our conscious mind to ponder this concept. A recap from the tutorial that you received last night: you can incite a light that you won't see or feel consciously or subconsciously, but it will be there. Energetically and physically, this is not to be confused with metaphysics. This is a sub-reality that lays the groundwork for other realities and is a new realm for mankind to discover. When we segregate ourselves, we are subject to separation from the diverse beauty of divinity. It is not in the nature of the universe to segregate, it's the nature of the universe to orchestrate a divine dance between varying individual perspectives. We cannot tolerate any other point of view from a society aspiring to be fully realized. This parallel will transcend all lines and will fall into the category of there are many natural laws that we must be aware of moving forward. In order to win in this modern world, you must first win the battle of propaganda. The public opinion wars are the battle most are engaged in at the moment. The digital warriors of the Rebel Legion are the most important resource that we have on this forefront, and they are truly the best of the best. A word to the wise, some of the group meditations that are being planned are not very well thought out or have hidden malevolent intentions. Be careful as to what you lend your energy to. Do not engage in any energy work in the name of any old personality, and we are specifically referring to the sorceress that was recently arrested. Keep her out of your mind's eye unless there is a sword in your hand. This is toxic positivity at its finest, and it is bad practice to meditate upon demons, to say the least. Today's tools. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to do any harm to you, beyond space and time. We have gone through great changes, and thus the weapon-based tools indicated below can be inserted into the ground to call forth downloads. Active, passive and aggressive. The Violet Flame team is in a Violet Flame 3 setting after a short stay in the Lavender 3 setting. This is an interesting crossroads as it flashed Lavender to show its intentions and then immediately switched to the Violet 3 setting to get to work on transmutation. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is completely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can be achieved that this couldn't slice through. It is also an amazing weapon against electronics and technology, as it can override any circuitry. Passive, active and aggressive. Archangel Isaac's radiant field looks a lot like Magneto's force field, and it reacts to any life form with either loving energy, or with a transmutational blast of vast power. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Leo's Swords of Plenty is a passive and aggressive attack sword that has a complete will of its own. Do not try to yield at all, you will only get in the way. Equip and go. Passive. Archangel Temperance's health elixir rejuvenates all aspects of your being with a steady stream of potent healing energy designed to help in good health and in bad. Just allow this tool to work on your behalf by telling Archangel Temperance to do so. Passive. Archangel Vahuman's timepiece allows you to savor a positive feeling or thought. It brings an element of majesty to your everyday moments, and it prevents the interference of malevolent time travelers. Passive, active and aggressive. Archangel Chamuel's radiant peace allows you to be secluded in a peaceful bubble, no matter what is happening around you. It also allows those in your heart to have protection as well. Please note the next 3 tools are meant to be used in combination. They are sent to us to help us sustain our physical bodies. Active. Archangel Ariel's Wand of Comforts helps you summon any necessity you may have. It is a wonderful and comforting tool when equipped. Active, aggressive and passive, long and short range. Archangel Israfil's Flaming Sword can protect you against all things directed to you on a macro or micro scale. It can also speed up the time in which something you wish to manifest will come to fruition. Active, aggressive and passive, long and short range. Archangel Nasaraji's Flaming Sword can bring any negative energy to its knees. It also can remove all obstacles in the way of something you wish to manifest. Please note the next 3 tools are healing modalities and can be sent remotely to loved ones. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Kalaziel's Radiant Rays of Health wards off all diseases and illness. It can also aid in the recovery of diseases already inflicted. It can be sent to land masses as well as individual living beings. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Theliel's Radiant Compassion sends heartfelt love to all within your jurisdictions. This is the nurturing aspect of healing and it has incredible warmth. It is best to yield this with a calm frame of mind. Active. Archangel Raphael's healing staff is an omnipotent healing force that works gradually or intensively depending on how you yield it. It is considered the best general healing instrument. Today's assignments. We are still working on a macro level, and thus the format will stay consistent. Please use today's current tools if you need assistance performing the tasks below. Asterisk, is anyone in the mood to make mountains move? If so, we will be aligning the archangelic calendar to be in perfect synchronicity with our 5D timeline. This would mean no more roller coasters and a steadily ascending progression of our everyday lives. These event-based columns in the Archangelic calendar are well within our jurisdiction of motions. To do so, create a complete shrine, a sacred place where all the elements of earth are featured. It can be done physically or metaphysically, and the only requirement is that you provide it with great emotion. Assist Atlantis and Lemuria in rising simultaneously in a cooperative effort to ascend even more so above sea level. This is accomplished by bombarding the center temples of both locations with golden lightning charges simultaneously. The Sphinx controls the ebb and flow of intergalactic information in the ether here upon the Earth. If we continue to hold the left paw of the Sphinx open, it will increase the flow to catch up with our other efforts. The lever to open the pass is behind the right ear. If it gets stuck, feel free to use a little muscle. The nicknamed Christ consciousness provides a surge in spiritual and mental cooperation. This can be encouraged by sending bright white and golden light to all life upon Earth for a 72 count. Asterisk, something giant is about to sweep across the sky. It will attempt to decompress our timeline encapsulation. It will be originated by a very small stealth malevolent starship, and it will be difficult to find, but it doesn't mean we should not try. Go after them with sword and shield. The best strategy is to sit still and wait for them to arrive in a state of superposition. If we do not find them in time, they will cause a time rift. If we feel this happen, quickly sew the gash with rainbow thread, the same way you would sew a rip in your pants. To be noted, not all timelines have this rift, so other lightworkers not of our legions may see something drastically different. Asterisk, to avoid any surprises, we will stop the submarine attack the CCP is planning on the east coast of the US, Japan, Australia, and other various parts of the globe. It is not hard to disrupt a submarine with sword and shield. Be sure to be diligent on this task as it is very time sensitive. It's amazing to us that they are still pretending that they are not going to war with the world when clearly they have declared war on it. The CCP launched more malevolent satellites than expected. Luckily, we are experts in destroying them. Use sword and shield. Asterisk, Gaia is requesting transmutational flames from our legions. Please engulf the planet with violet, platinum, and rainbow flames for a 72 count. Circe has requested plasma bursts originating from her center, but that they are only initiated by the Lightworker Legion. Travel to the galaxy's center and administer pulsing plasma bursts from your heart chakra. Amplify this by her heart chakra of Circe, our galaxy, and then engulfing the entire galaxy with the burst. Today's meditation is below. Please enjoy.